square root of 1. And the half power also goes here. So the square root of 2 to the power of 4. Okay, and hopping around on the room for the answer. But the square